So this is how it feels like to be in these parts of Kisumu in the morning. Compared to other cities or other towns, I think it is a bit relaxed, a bit easy going, you know. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Poa sana, ni aje? Aja kutumia fare. Dakika moja. Haya. Haya, sawa. Driving cities. It's a Benzo, you know. They say in Kisumu, people drive big cars like that, you know. That's a Mercedes. So it is what it is. I think those who've been to Kisumu, they know the environment, how it is. Currently it's very dry. That's why you're seeing the vegetation is a bit not very green as it's supposed to be. You can see all that. Yeah. This is Kisumu. I think I'm gonna go around Kisumu when I get time, and at least I show you guys the different places, the different joints we have in Kisumu, so that at least you guys can also have an idea of what usually happens here. It's not very boring as people perceive it to be. We have a service station there for big trucks. The Mercedes guy wants to go and the lorry is not giving way. Maybe also in the comment section you guys can actually give me ideas of the places you would like us to go to. We have a tour together, we see, we explore, you know, all that. Let me just pass here. Doing a lot of touring, guys. We will be doing a lot of touring, and basically I just think the channel is just about the normal life, the everyday normal life of this guy over here, of me, and also the people who are around me, experiences, you know, we share that, we look at different situations, you know, just normal life. You know, we show it as it is. No faking things. Yeah. It You know, I've not been consistent. I've never even done a serious video, but I've always been interested in actually moving around with you guys and actually telling you what is happening. So it's a learning curve, and I hope we're gonna learn together, we're gonna explore together. And also don't forget to, you know, give out those comments, share, you know, and tell me what you need me to actually improve on, because let's be real, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm very new at this. I'm green. I think that is the right word. I'm green at this. So sometimes you're gonna see things a bit shagala bagala, but we're gonna be good at it. We're gonna make changes, and we're gonna improve, and we're gonna better ourselves. Yeah. So I think also other than me just coming up with random ideas and thoughts, you can also actually give me suggestions, as I've said earlier on, of what you think we guys can actually do together, because I think this is a journey that we are undertaking together, and also it's a growth process. I also need to learn. I'm very new at this, but I'm very willing 100%. I tell you guys, very 100% willing to learn and know what I'm gonna do, you know. So make use of that comment section, guys. Whether it is a good comment, a bad review, just make it up, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do about it. Yes, guys. Oh, these guys are constructing a road here, guys. They're constructing a road. You can see, guys. A road is being made here. How many of you know this road in Kisumu? So today we're gonna go to Kendu Bay. We're gonna have a short trip there, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so I'll update you guys on the happenings. I think today will just be one of our first maybe serious videos, because I've never done this professionally, but I think traveling and moving around is very interesting if it is done with people. So you guys are also my company, you're my crew, guys. So we're gonna do this together, and right now we're gonna do it in a way that actually we share our experiences together. And also you can even tell me, for example, if I go to some place like Kindu, where should I even visit, you know, things like that. The places you would actually want to see on the screens for the world to actually see, not just me going, but also for the world to see that there are places that are worth visiting. That is it, man. That is it, guys. So currently we are heading up the hill, Ariat Hills. We are heading up the hill, guys. This place here is called Mamboleo Junction. Or to some old guys, the older generation, they used to know it as the roadblock. Yeah. So this is Mamboleo, aka roadblock, guys. That is the Mamboleo roundabout, as you can see. There's a stage, a small stage. Then we are going up. This is a industry. It's called Fail Farm something. farming equipments, the big tractors and whatevers. So guys, how is the drive so far? Always on the move, guys. Always on the move. So this is where roundabout stage is at.